Tired of not getting interview calls? There's a 90% chance that it is because of your resume. Fox Job Search and Howard Learning announce one-day resume writing workshop for those who want to get ahead in the race. Resume writing is not an art. Resumes are management documents and have to be crafted carefully. You cannot write your resume by filling up templates available on Google. We offer you a virtual workshop you can attend from the comforts of your home. It is aimed at enabling you to dig deep into your career and summarize your career history that appeals to the prospective employers. Facilitated by senior industry professional, IIT and IIM graduate with over 30 years of experience, having held the positions of HR head with large Indian companies. During the workshop, you will get a standard resume template that enables you to fill in the details which are sought by the employers and consultants. You are provoked to dig deep into your career to understand what your real contributions are, and you capture all the essentials. You get better insights during the discussions with other professionals which help you sharpen your resume. After the workshop, you will have an up-to-date, concise, and polished resume, which you can use as a powerful career marketing tool that will impress potential employers. Remember, an investment in your career is an investment in yourself. So enroll now.